Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. And in today's video, I will be taking you through a platform called CPAGrip. And maybe you are new to this channel. My name is Julius, and on this platform, I do come back to come and tell my fans end of the website that is working for me. And if you see my platform now, you are going to see $9.84. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start making even $1. Peradventure you have not start making money from online space. Once you have seen that the money is not a scam, the next thing that we need to do right now, you have already having a CPA group account, so you need to come to my offer tools. You click my offer tools. After you click my offer tools, you are going to see my offer. After you click my offer, you are going to allow that it to boost. Here you are seeing Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria in the course of recording this video, and we are going to be using USL, United States of America's offer. So you click this down arrow here, or you click that one, you are going to write the United States here. So this is United States here. You need to click on this one. When you click on this one now, it's going to bring all the offer from United States. Then this payout here right now, you are going to click it to have the highest payout here. So you can see right now that these are the highest payout we are already having here right now. And for the purpose of this video, we are going to use this completed deal for $100 buffer winch. So you click on this one. When you click on this one, it's going to come out like this. So you can see here right now, this offer was put here on 11 December. And this offer is going to be on the Apple AI OS. And this offer is an email submit, meaning that whenever anybody complete this offer by submitting it to our email, you are going to make some amount here. So the next thing now you need to do right now, you need to click this affiliate links. Use this affiliate link you are going to start using to promote this offer. You click this one, and when you click this one, you keep it so that you are not going to forget it. The next thing now you need to construct a landing page, and for the purpose of this video, I don't want this video to be too long. That's why we are having this landing page here right now. This is the landing page already made here right now, which is for gift card. And this is the way I make it. And in my previous video, I've already told you how to, I'll teach you how to make a landing page. And if you are still having issue, you don't let me know. So once you have done this one now, the next thing now is to now click this links to take the links offer. To do that, you need to start running traffic to that links. And for the purpose of this video, we are going to use a Facebook. So when you get here, you put a gift card here, gift card. Once you have done that one, you enter. When you enter, the next thing you need to do now, you need to come to group. You come to group here. This is group. You click on group. When you click on group, you are going to see different gift cards. So this one is 789 members. This is 7.8 thousand members. And the post that here is 6 posts in daily. So let's move down. Let's move down and see other groups. So this is 1.5 thousand members, and a day they are sending 80 posts. And in addition, this is from USA, and you know your offer is from USA. So you click on this one, you join this one. So we move down again. Let's move down. We move down. So this one here is 10 posts per day. You join this one. Join this one. Once you join that one, you go down again. So this is 2.7 thousand members. So 60,000, 16 posts per day. You join this one. So once you have done that one now, let's move up. After we move up now, the first one we join now, let's open it. So when you open this one now, then it means that you are going to start posting on this platform now. So let's see the way you are going to start posting here right now. You say write something. Or here you are going to write your post here. For instance, so you can still go back to this offer here. This is the offer I have here. And the offer I have here, this is what I put here there. You can copy part of this report here. So you copy this one now. When you copy this one, then you copy this one here. You come back here. You put it on this platform here. When you put down on this platform here, once you have done that one, then you also need to put your links. For you to get your to put your links, you need to go back here again and copy them and click on these links. When you click on this link, this is the links you have copied the other time. You copy on this one, then you come back here. When you come back here, you put the link here right now. Let me put the link here right now. This is the link. So the next thing now you need to do right now, you need to even send this offer here. So you need to send this offer out. So you move down. How are you going to move down? Let's move down. We are moving down now. You hide this one. You post this one. When you post this one now, the next thing you need to do here, and you can see now you have already posted it now. When you posted it, this is now your offer here right now, meaning that you are sending this offer. At the moment the admin of this platform now admit your offer. It's going to be here, and when you get it, you are going to start making money. That's just the simple process. So on this note, I want to bring this video to an end. And peradventure you are still having the question, I will want you to come up and to the comment section of this video, put your questions there. And when others see it, they will also going to put their own questions there. And when I see it as well, I'm going to do justice to them. So that's just the simple process for this video. And I want to believe that you have enjoyed this video and you have gained one or two valuable things there. If that should be the case, what I want you to do that is not going to cost you anything. Just subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So I want to say I love you and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.